Hi friends, now we have eyeball cabinet. The model is eyeball gravity micro ATX cabinet. In India, the MRP is 5099. Okay, now we are going to unbox it. I will show you what are the features is there in this cabinet. I will show you. This is the full metal body. Power button is there. There is no restart button in this cabinet. Current port 2.0 and 3.0 USB port is there, and built-in SMPS 230 volts. Inside there is a manual. In this there is a USB 3.0 connector also is there. These are the basic features. In this we can insert SSD also. In this we can fix it SSD, and HDD also we can install. Okay, and there is no external fan. One fan is there here. That's it. But one more thing, we can't fix the DVD drive here. Without drive need to be used. There is no DVD drive option is there. Okay, thank you. Hi friends, now we have gigabyte motherboard EH610MH V3 DDR4 motherboard, and also we have Intel Core i5 14th generation processor, and we have 8 GB DDR4 RAMs, two RAMs we have, and 2 TB NVMe SSD is there. Now we are going to install it, assemble it. I will show you how to install the processor, board, RAM, and NVMe. I will show you one by one. Okay. First we will unbox it. i5 processor. In the box, this is the processor. This is the i5 14th generation processor. Okay, and inside there will be a fan. This is the fan, Intel fan. This is original fan. This is. Next, we will open the motherboard. This is the H610MH V3 DDR4 motherboard. It is. In this feature, CPU support Intel Core 14, 13, 12 generation processor. All these features is there in this board. Okay. Now we will open this. In the box, we will get SATA cables and port panel. Okay. Now we are trying to open the motherboard. In the board, there is a HDMI port option is there, and also VGA port is there. Two USB ports, four USB ports, two 3.0 and LAN ports. Everything is there in this feature in this board, and also there is a NVMe slot also is there in this. Okay, and also we got the USB 3.2 option is there. Now we are going to install the processor. This is the processor. In the processor, there is a notch is there. Mm, need to be identified here. There is a notch is there here. Okay, the same notch in the motherboard also. There is a notch is there here. We can see this notch and this notch has to be in the same position. Okay. Now the two notches are in the same position. Okay. Now the processor has been fixed. Now like this, the processor has to be installed, and then this is the time to install the fan. This is the fan. In this fan, there is a four switches there. Need to be fixed in the same position. Simply need to be press it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, need to be fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this fan need to be connected like this. Now we are going to install the RAM. Okay, and we have one more RAM is there. Need to open. Okay, and this one. Sorry. Like this, need to be fix the RAM, and now we are going to install the 2 TB Kingston NVMe. Okay, this one I will show you how to install. There is a notch is there here. Need to be removed like this. It will come, and then neatly connect this NVMe slot and then simply fix this and then insert the notch. That's it. Now the processor, RAM, NVMe, everything has been installed. Okay, thank you. Now the motherboard and power supply has been connected. The fan is also running. This is the BIOS setup. 610 mAh V3 DDR4 RAM, Intel Core i5 14 generation, 16 GB RAM is there. Okay, this is the features. Okay, thank you. Now the board is working fine. Now we are going to assemble it to the desktop CPU. We are going to assemble it to the cabinet. Okay, this is the cabinet, eyeball cabinet. This is for the base. Before fixing the board, it need to be check the screws where it will fix. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws has to be fixed. Here is already fixed built in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. one screw has been missed, I think so. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five is there. I will check it out. 1 second. Here one screw is missed. Nothing to worry. We will make this one extra bit will be given. We need to be fix it. First, you need to be fix the motherboard panel. It is yes, now the panel has been fixed. Now we are going to install the board. Before installing the board, we need to fix this here because there is no screw bit here. Like this, need to fix. Now we will try it whether is it be fixed in the proper way or not. Yes, now it will fix in the proper way. Okay. Okay. Before fixing this, first you need to be whatever the connectors is there, you need to be connected. Otherwise, very tough to reconnect the connectors in the board after the system has been assembled. This is the USB and UHD audio is there. You need to click this USB 1 and USB 2 option is there here. First one is USB 1 and second is USB 2. This is USB 1, USB 2. USB 1. This is the USB 1. You need to connect this to USB 1 and this one is HD audio. It is. This is HD audio. HD audio means here there is a here audio is there na front audio. Need to connect it like this. After this, go to the front panel. Power switch, power LED option is there. In this cabinet there is no restart option. That's why we don't have an option to connect the restart option. Power switch, here they mentioned here power switch. The same power switch connector need to be connected like this. Power switch and then power LED. Power LED, HD LED, reset. Power LED. This is the power LED. Plus should be come in the left side. Like this need to connect. Plus and minus. Yes. Now the power LED and power switch has been connected. Okay. Now we are going to fix it. See the screws. Okay, one more fan connector is there. Fan should be connected to here. Okay, and then 24 pin ATX connector should be here. Okay, and then go for the P4 connector. P4 connector should be connected here. Now the system has been assembled. Now we are going to switch on the computer. That's it. Okay. Now the system has been assembled completely. Now we are going to switch on the system. First you switch on the power and then turn the switch on the power. Yes. Now the system is running properly. Need to wait for the display. Yes. Now the display also coming. Finally we got the display. Now there is no Windows in this system. You can go for the Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation. You can proceed it. That's it. Thank you.